Welcome to TI Skills, and in this clip we're going to show you what a number looks like that is in scientific notation, and we're also going to switch the calculator over into scientific notation mode and to show you how the calculator itself expresses numbers in scientific notation. So let's begin by showing you what a number in scientific notation looks like. And so I'm just going to type in 5.23 times 10 to the fourth power. All right, so this number, or this is scientific notation. And scientific notation has two parts to it. Basically, the first term needs to be between 1 and 10. It has to be greater, it can be equal to or greater than 1, but it has to be less than 10. It cannot be 10. And the second part is it's times a base of 10. So we've got 10 to the fourth here. And the only rule here, it's always going to be 10 for the base, and the exponent has to be an integer, which means it can be a negative whole number, it can be 0, or it can be a positive whole number. So that is the requirements of any number expressed in scientific notation, the two parts. So let's go ahead and just hit enter right now. And you'll see that when I hit enter, the calculator expresses this in standard form. That is because the mode that I'm in, I'm still in that normal mode where the numbers are just going to spit out how we would normally see them. So I'm going to switch this over to scientific mode. Hit enter. And then I'm going to go back to my screen. And I'm going to type in this 52,300. We know in scientific notation form what it looks like, because I already typed it in. But let's see how the calculator expresses it. I hit enter. Now the only reason why this is coming out like this is because I have my calculator in scientific mode right now. So what happens is this. It does not shoot this out the way we expressed it right in the beginning. That is because the calculator kind of takes a shortcut, and it doesn't show the base of 10. It shows the exponent that I need to that base of 10, but it doesn't show that base of 10 that you see up here. It has the 5.23, which is the first part, and then it says the exponent that I need to that base of 10 is 4. And so it's kind of like a shorthand of it, but that's what the calculator does, and that's what it shows when it has a number expressed in scientific notation. So what I'll do is I'm just going to retype this in. 0.23, and then you'll notice that on the comma here I can get that E to pop up that you see right here. So I'm going to put that E there and put the 4, and then I want this to come back out to the 52,300, so I'm just going to go back to the mode, and it's in scientific mode now, so if I hit enter it would just say the same thing that I just typed in. So I'm going to put it back to normal and I quit. And then I'm just going to go to the end and make sure I don't mess up anything. And I'm going to hit enter. And you can see that this notation is the same as what we had above because both of these expressions spit out the same 52,300. So I hope that this video was helpful in showing you, well, reviewing with you what scientific notation is. And not only that, but showing you how the calculator deals with it and how we can jump back and forth between the two modes.